Breathe a little easier with Cosmo's new sleek and slim 30-inch Undercabinet range hood. Featuring a completely brushed stainless steel body and easy-to-use push controls, this hood is a welcome addition to any home. Packed with everything you need, it features 3 fan speeds, 200 CFM of suction, and an easy-to-clean surface. Energy-efficient LED lighting ensures high visibility throughout all times of the day. An included set of dishwasher-safe aluminum filters can be quickly removed for easy, mess-free cleaning. Using easy push-button controls, 3 fan speeds are available for multiple pots and pans and worry-free cooking for home. Easy access top and rear venting options are built in for versatility and compatibility no matter the type of kitchen. Just simply twist and lock in the type of venting you need for your home. The next time you're looking for an Undercabinet range hood, look for Cosmo's new 5MU30.
Please make sure to read the instruction before using it. Unpack the product. Horizontally draw a straight line according to the installation height specified in the instruction manual with a leveling instrument. Take out the accessories required for installation from package. Take the hanging plate and place it on the horizontal straight line marked. The center of the circular mounting hole of the hanging plate coincides with the straight line, and draw 3 circular positioning holes. Drill 3 holes in the center of the circular positioning hole. Drive the expansion rubber plug into the hole and make it to be flush with the wall surface. Fix the hanging plate on the wall with screws. Take out the complete machine and hang on the hanging plate. Dismantle the filters, mark the positioning holes on both sides of the inner rear plate with pencil, and remove the complete machine. Drill 2 holes at the center of the circular positioning hole. Drive the expansion rubber plug into the hole and make it to be flush with the wall surface. Hang up the machine again. Fix the machine on the wall from the inside with screws. Install the filter. Fix the support bracket of the chimney on the back of the chimney with screws. Place the chimney on the top cover plate. Adjust it to level with a leveling instrument. Mark the oblong holes on the support bracket of the chimney with pencil. Remove the chimney and drill 2 holes at the center of the oblong holes. Drive the expansion rubber plug into the wall. Insert the air duct into the air outlet. Install the chimney assembly into the top cover plate. Fix the lower chimney on the wall with screws. Adjust it to level with a leveling instrument. Use a tape measure to draw the center point on the top of the lower chimney. Use a leveling instrument to draw a vertical line along the center point. Draw a horizontal line through the apex of the vertical line. The support bracket align the horizontal line and mark the oblong holes. Drill 2 holes in the center of oblong holes. Drive the expansion rubber plug into the hole. Fix the support bracket on the wall with screws. Lift the air duct and the upper chimney, and lock both sides of the upper chimney with screws. Lock both sides of the bottom of the chimney on the top cover plate with screws. Turn on all buttons one by one. And observe whether they are normal. If there is no abnormalities, the installation is completed. Thanks for watching.
It comes in two different sizes, a 30-inch and a 36-inch. The PLJW 185 is one of our most simple designs. While being very low profile with its 5-inch height, it still maintains a sleek and modern look with its 430 stainless steel finish and its seamless design. The PLJW 185 is one of the only range hoods of this size to feature stainless steel baffle filters. Baffle filters are great as they are easy to remove, dishwasher safe, and they look great. Behind the baffle filters are dual blowers. This model has a maximum output of 600 CFM and a minimum output of 150 CFM with 4 different fan speeds. Bright light is supplied by the two 5-watt LEDs that are very energy efficient. Looking closer at the control panel, you'll see the 6 stainless buttons. On the far right, there is the power button. On the far left is the LED light button. And in between those two are the 4 fan speeds. Starting on the left, there is the lowest fan speed with a Q button above it, meaning it's the quietest. The second is the medium speed 1, the third is the medium fan speed 2, and the fourth and last is the highest fan speed. If you have any more questions or concerns, please visit our website or give us a call.
This is the PS38 Chef Kitchen Range Hood by Hauslane. This range hood has powerful 950 CFM dual motor suction, a touchscreen panel, 6 fan speed settings, energy-saving LED lamps, perimeter suction design, and a steam clean system built in. With this range hood, you never have to worry about setting off your smoke alarms, inhaling dangerous fumes, or smells lingering hours after you've cooked. The dual motor fan and perimeter suction zone removes smoke and smells quickly, keeping you safe from dangerous fumes. The perimeter suction zone means that cooking fumes are contained within the area of the hood and that they don't stick to nearby cabinets or walls. Containing the fumes within the perimeter zone also means that odors can't travel throughout the house. The built-in auto steam clean function improves hygiene and increases the life of the motors by removing unwanted grease. By using steam, the cold, sticky grease is melted away and flushed out of the motors, maintaining their efficiency throughout time. No matter what you cook or how you cook it, the PS38 Chef Kitchen Range Hood will keep your kitchen clear of smoke, free of odors, and most importantly, keep you and your family healthy.